So it comes with everything that you need, even like with the tools, every single connection, even with batteries and everything. So you don't have to buy anything else but that. So let's do like the installation. It looks like super easy. So let's start working on that. So now I have my iPad. This is like the top of my iPad and this is the bottom, the same as this one. Like the biggest part is the bottom. So you're gonna take the bottom of your iPad and you're gonna place it